I'm not telling you what I'm doing.
Okay, that's fine.
I hope you're gonna trust me.
No, I trust you.
Okay.
I mean, it's just hair. What's gonna happen?
Girl.
I know. It's been like, it's been
I
a
know.
year. I personally love the blonde. The blonde grew out. So I have a lot of new regrowth and my hair is getting fuller. There was a point I looked like Cynthia from Rugrats, the doll.
Yes.
And
like,
so now, nothing red. Like, I can't do red.
Okay.
But blonde or dark is fine.
Blonde or dark?
Yeah. I mean, what do you, I don't even want to know what you're thinking.
No.
Okay.
Oh my God. I won't make you red. If you tell me you don't want to be red, you're not going red.
Okay.
Number one. Number two, I wasn't going to make you red.
Okay, cool.
I promise I won't. I have this idea that if you give me freedom between light and dark, I'm going to take it.
Yeah.
Because you are really fragile. Like,
Very fragile. Because I have like fine white girl hair.
Yeah,
I know.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Okay. As far as extension goes, free reign.
Free reign. Don't like short hair. I never really liked it. If I have to go dark to get it healthy again, and then go like in stages, add extensions for color, great. I'm not opposed to that.
Okay. I'm not telling you what I'm doing.
Okay, that's fine.
Good. My biggest thing for you is your integrity, keeping your hair healthy.
Yeah, no.
And really giving you something that's going to really accentuate your natural beauty. Make it so that it's something you can also maintain.
Okay.
Maintenance is going to be about 6 to 8 weeks for extensions.
I'm a barber, so like I have a lot of cosmetology.
Oh my God, you
friends.
are?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here's the plan.
There's a lot going on.
There's a shit ton going on. Like, the hair is breaking off on the ends, so I need to be really, really, really careful. Here's the plan. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna do Lightener 10, then we're gonna drop that whole thing down to like a level 6 warm.
Yes.
And then use some Caramel Dreams from Christian Michael hair extensions, right?
That's a dream.
That's a
exactly
fucking
what she
dream.
needs.
That's exactly what she needs.
Immediately I saw her make it warm.
Make it warm.
Take it down.
Yep.
I'm supportive of this decision.
Supportive,
Yes.
supportive. We're in. Well, you do hair, so I feel like I can't say anything. Secret. You should have kept it a secret that you did hair. Now you get nothing.
I think
I mean, people hate me every day. That's for sure.
I think that's in life, just in general.
I know. I think you just get like used to people. You know, there's going to be really good people and there's going to be shitty people. And with a larger platform comes more hate and love at the same time.
I've been really trying to.
We're getting toasty.
You got a little spot on your shirt.
It's from the candy bar. It's from my lunch. Yeah. Oh, dude. No, I do know.
Janine looks really good. They're like rolling really pretty.
Okay, here we go now. Here's the removal.
Wow.
Open your eyes in. Oh, it looks so good. What a George Strait concert? Stop it! Davidson asked me backstage. Stop it! He better after this.
Oh my God. Going to the dark side, okay? Machine Wefts and then Caramel Dreams,
Okay.
all from Christian Michael hair extensions, okay? And then I took some of your Machine Wefts and I created some K-tips right in the front, right here. See these little guys?
Yeah.
Where? Some like, I know, I don't even know. So I did like some custom K-tips in there. So that way you could get
Seamless.
yes, girl. I love it.
I'm happy. Thank you.